Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Misa and I am crazy about helping you enhance your complexion routine. So if you haven't already, please be sure and subscribe. I do uploads quite frequently, Monday and Friday. I'm honestly trying to make that even more. But anyway, today we are going to talk about setting mist, affordable dewy setting mist. I did a video about all the best dewy setting mist for dry skin about a year ago and it took off. Like, people loved it, you guys have loved it. I wanted to do a video just about my tried and true drugstore affordable setting mist, the ones I gravitate over all of my high-end setting mist. So if you're interested to see what those are, go ahead and keep on watching.
Christmas lights are all around.
All right, where to begin? So I know a lot of people that don't use setting mists, and let me tell you why you should use one. First and foremost, you can do a couple things with these. You can use them to prime your skin. I personally do not use it to prime my skin, to prep my skin, but you can. Really, I use it to set my makeup. What's really important if you're doing layers of makeup, whether it's foundation and powders, blushes, bronzers, or even if you need a reset throughout the day with that refresh, setting mist melt all of that together. So in order to get like a really seamless look, setting mists are going to just give you that seamless look. So I highly recommend, if you haven't, incorporate these into your skincare routine, not skincare routine, into your makeup routine. Guaranteed if you're watching this video, you're already using one or you're curious and that's why you're watching this. So this is the Catrice Dewy Glow Fixing Spray. So you can use this to prepare your skin, it improves your makeup wear and refreshes your complexion. This has a pretty good sprayer, it's strong. It's not the finest mist I've ever used and it's not one I actually gravitate toward a lot, but it's a great product. This is super affordable. It is only $8 on Ulta, and one of the top things I love about this is it doesn't have any alcohol in it. There are a lot of setting sprays that do add alcohol. If it's in the first few ingredients, ooh, watch out because that's just going to dry your skin out, but this doesn't. So this is just really meant to give you that dewy look. It does dry really fast, and what I love about this is it's super travel friendly. Like, you can throw this in your travel carry-on bag and there you go. Speaking of having alcohol though in your setting mist, there are some alcohols that are fine, but denatured alcohol is one to avoid. And one that has that is this L'Oreal Shake and Glow Dew Mist. So avoid this. I tried it out. It's not great. It looks really intriguing, which heck is why I bought it. I love the packaging. It's super cute. And I love the L'Oreal Lumi line. Like, their foundation, I'm back, is one of my favorites, this L'Oreal True Match Lumi. I mean, this is probably my most purchased foundation ever. This is why I jumped on this one, and it just, ugh, no, don't get it. I'm returning this. Another, drugstore setting mist that is just phenomenal and out of this world is this Milani Make It Dewy Setting Mist. This one has just really surprised me. I stopped using it for a little bit. I use it and I'm just like, oh my gosh, this just gives the most beautiful glow. The mister is actually, it's not the finest, but it's good because it just leaves, look at this glow. It looks beautiful. There's no weird scent to it. This claims for 16 hours your makeup is supposed to look amazing. It's not supposed to melt. It's supposed to be creaseless. This is definitely something you could just take with yourself in your bag, refresh your makeup throughout the day. It's good. If you look in the ingredient list, there is denatured alcohol in this, but it falls really low on the ingredient list, so you don't really have to worry about that. But Milani is just one of those brands from the drugstore that I just gravitate toward again and again. Their products are outstanding for the price. One of my favorite drugstore bronzers is from Milani. One of my, gosh, their blushes. And so this setting mist, it did not disappoint. They also have a mattifying one. If you don't have dry skin, don't want that luminosity, that works pretty well. That one, I will say, does have a weird hairspray scent and taste to it. So be careful with that. But this one is by far, if you're just like in a Walgreens and you need to pick up a setting mist, this one is amazing. We're getting into my favorite setting mist. I reach for both of these setting mists like more than any of the other setting mists that I have. And I have a lot of high-end setting mists. I have like the Farsali Rose Gold and I have the, gosh, what is this? Charlotte Tilbury. But I'm someone that does really like high-end makeup. I don't even know if you call this. Some of this is high-end, I guess. Some of these are, to me, if you can get it at Sephora, if it's high-end. For me, these are what I reach and gravitate toward. These are my tried and true. And so let's just talk about my ultimate favorite, and that is the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Setting Mist. This is by far, hands down, an amazing experience. First off, let's talk about the price. This is $12. If you compare it to any of these other items, so Milani, this is $10, the Catrice is $8, this is $12, and it comes with so much more product. How much ounces is this? So this is almost 4 ounces of product. I purchased this year, and look, I'm only like a little quarter of the way through. What's amazing about this is it's infused with hyaluronic acid, so it's really helping those of us with dry skin bring in some of that moisture and really lock it in with our foundation, which, you know, if you're like me and you like wearing matte foundation, this is gold. I love the milky consistency. The scent is just really light, and the sprayer on this is super fine. I mean, can you see this? It is so fine. It's finer than anything, than a lot of these sprays. I mean, it is hard to perfect that mist. This is a fun one to pair though. They have the Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Tinted Moisturizer if you're looking for something really lightweight. And then this is the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Hydrating Foundation. So you have a couple options that you can pair this with, all really affordable. This line has been super impressive. The one thing I haven't tried is their concealer. This is a great option if you are just looking for something. This won't, I honestly don't feel like this extends the length of your makeup, but it just melts everything into like beautiful perfection, and it's amazing as a refresher during the day. Like if you look in the mirror and you're noticing that you just like look really dry and that your makeup is sitting on top of your skin, this is something that is going to be gold in your collection. Put it in the fridge too. Oh, I'm telling you, any setting mist put in the fridge elevates the entire experience. And the last setting mist that has just really blown me away is this Morphe Luminous Setting Mist. It is $16, so it's a little bit higher in price, but you're still getting, oh, this actually has the most product in it. This is 4.4 ounces of product, and it's infused with coconut water, which we love coconut. Anything coconut, and we're like, yes, yes, yes. You know, it's funny because when I got this, I was super impressed with it, really happy with it. And then I picked up this Huda Beauty Glow Cocoa, which is basically, I mean, this is almost an exact dupe, except I actually like this one better. Claims on this, it's supposed to last for 16 hours. It also contains glycerin, which is supposed to really hydrate and keep in moisture. And I truly love just like the simplicity of this packaging. Like I just totally, the clear bottle does me in, and the spritzer, it's super fine. The scent for this one, I will say, is a little bit stronger than all the rest, and so just keep that in mind. If you are sensitive to scents and you get a headache through them, it's definitely a stronger scent. So I can definitely see that being off-putting to a lot of people, but still, it's just one of those great options. So yeah, if you have any questions, or if you have any other really affordable or drugstore setting mist that you can recommend to me, please let me know in the comments down below. But I hope you found this video helpful and that you can add one of these into your makeup routine, because they are absolutely game-changing. If you can only pick one, pick this ColourPop one. This one is hands down the best one. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.